All right, I've got some flexible conduit here. This is like liquid and oil resistant conduit. I didn't really use it for liquid resistance here in the barn. I used it because it just provides me with a little abrasion resistance. Now, I'm not an electrician or anything. I'm just a do-it-yourselfer messing around in the barn, but I wanted to be able to just kind of rope this up and around places. And if I needed to move this outlet a little bit, which I actually had to move this one on the right here a little bit, if you have to move it around a little bit, it's okay. It's not hard conduit. So it's not going to protect this thing from something slicing through it, but it's better than, in my opinion, than just having bare wire. And it was really nice because it came with these things, a bunch of those, and it came with a bunch of these ends. So it was super easy to wire up. The hose was easy enough to cut just using a utility knife, and or the conduit was easy enough to cut using a utility knife. And the inside of it was not sticky. I've had some of this flexible conduit that was sticky inside. This stuff was not sticky. The wire moved real nice and smooth through it. So, yep, can certainly recommend this particular Liquidtight conduit.